Hi there, CreativeSarah here. Do I have a fun tool for you? This is our Tassel Tool. You are gonna see that on the Tassel Tool, up on the top, that's our tie off, and this is our wrap. Those are the lengths from 3.5 to 6 inches of tassel length. If at any point in this video you'd like to get information on it, just comment the word tassel, Tassel, and I will send you a message with a link where you can get your own tassel tool. So here's how I'm going to take my yarn and wind it around the 4-inch size, and I'm going to cut that off, and then I'm going to use some jute and go up at the top. I'm going to tie it off at the top. That's how I'm going to add it to whatever I'm adding it to. And I'm going to take a piece of yarn, wind it around the center, tie it off, and then those blend in as little tassels. And so this is going to make the cutest addition to your garland, to your pillows, to anything that you need to make a tassel for. Look how cute, you guys. I'm just tying this off at a beaded garland that I have had, and I just wanted to add a little bit of green to it. You guys, so cute. Make sure you're following me for more decor.